Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Igama lami ngiJozi, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma into zenzeka real life. Ufuna isigaxa uninkinga engenzeka empilweni yakho, ungakhona ukuyishare the next person. Unga-inbox ku TikTok la ngizokuthumela khona i-WhatsApp number yami khona la ungazirecord istory sakho khona. Mina ngize nendlebe and then wena uze nendaba and then ngize ngapha mina ngizothulela abaleleli bethu indaba yakho nama advices ukuthi umove on kanjani. Ngibhalela ubhuti. So to put to species. Ngibhalela uSibusiso Sibuya ngibhalela uShozi something bad happened partner yami in business and nginesandla kiyo into yenzekile. Siso uthi awushozi thina mina bengasebenzi with my friend uTimothy uKayi. Bese ngasebenzi soyithu. So uma ka Timothy umuntu ukuthi uyathengisa but uthengisa esikolweni. So like uTimothy ekibo like beba struggleisha financially yabona. So uTimothy athi you know what Joe mina ngiyakhona ukupheka and angekho umuntu ongahlula ukwenza chicken dust. So man asifune like material and then sicale sithengise okwesincane and then try to start a business bongohle business le angeke pick up sizokhona ukusurvive ngayo. Or awushozi high ngambe ngilave ngiceda khona like abantu aba placed right labona ukuthi ngincedisa khona ngathatha imali labangibhadele yona ngayispara ubhuti nayo ispara sahlanganisa imali yethu sabe sesenza iprice stand le drum senza ama price stand ayi2 radi mbawula rareka di cutlery di blade everything yeah yokupheka uthi awushozi the following months abe sithenga amahoma amafutuma sama plastic containers uthi sathenga igrocery yakhe hayi ngasi the third month sabe sefuna isport esingathengisa khona then we had to find out ukuthi uthola kanjani permit ukuthi uthengise izinto ezinjalo research uthi awushozi ayonke into ihlangane uma ka Timothy asupport ke ukuthi no nginganiqalela nginenzele ama salads ukuthi nikhona ku like to know ukuthi isalad esoyenza kanjani yabona uthi nganceda for a week for ukuthi ngikhona ubamba izinto esimple eningazithengisa especially masalads nalena na braai yakhe and ngiyana pheka nepapa. What awushozi like ekibo Timothy nasekithi saba ngathi family because now I'm starting a business with my friend and umama kesa sister. So nami my mother wabe sewuyeza again uzosinceda for leyo viki baza boyithu abazali bazosinceda because they wanted to see us succeed kule business esithecala. But awushozi ibusiness iqale like endaweni la kubhizi khona next to a rank. Sayicalela lapho awushozi abazali bethu boyithu bahlangana boyithu awushozi barithusha basikhomba ukwenza amasaladi the whole week banalerena bathasusha libyana awushozi rarekisa even though besicala first day besicala sivula le sport like waba bhizinyana second day kwaba bhizinyana third day kubona like but ibusiness kwafana ya continue zange kufana ukuthi sihlela senze next ayiviki mayiphela kwaba ukuthi business get mina no Timothy siyazibambela ibusiness kodwa awushozi ibusiness yethu ihambe isikhathi sihambe elinye iviki imali bakhona elinye iviki global or chalete ne fluctuate abengahlali endaweni e1 but la mastole gilawa amanye abathengisa like bahlala bane business every day. Kodwa awushozi uma ka Timothy athi mina mntwana nami angeke ngini-encourage ukuthi ningathi fusana ibusiness yenu ngemithi. Mina ngini-encourage ukuthi ibusiness yenu aniqale but niqale ngomkhuleko. Every single day manifika lana pray man qala ushanela thandazela amanzi then ufafazwe uswele as encourage kanjalo. Even my mother wenza the same thing thandazani ningafuna ukusebenzela izinyanga because once uqala into involve inyanga izochubeka inyanga izofuna ukuthi ibe part of everything because each and every time fanele ukuthi hamba uyovuselela of which still ayovuselela mahala uyosebenzisa imali. But awushozi ayengibezwe bazali uTimothy abe na this faith ukuthi no izinto zizoshintsha uthi awushozi angeke ngikhuluma manga ngithi besirana iloss no besingayirana iloss but benginama hopes ukuthi by then sesiku 3 months ibusiness ihlabe ikubona rebona chelete eserious but imali bengena but not ngepace mina bengifuna ngayo. Uthi awushozi ayengidecide ukuthi ngoba uTimothy yena ubhilivela kule ndaba yabo mama yomkhuleko mina let me go and find out kubantu abathengisa ukuthi what can we do ukuthi sithi for ibusiness yabona indlondlo kwale masinya ensikhona ubona iprofit enough for us ukuthi khona uyisplitter 50-50. Uthi awushozi hayi kunomunye umama uyathengisa but athengise next to istaliki sethu, uthengisa the other side yaserenkeni, uthengisa lapho. Uthi ngimbuza ukuthi ha mama nenza, uthi umama lo like umuntu ukuthi makayo khamaza ngamabhakede bengithanda ukumgugisa yabona. So uthi hayi ngimbuza ukuthi hayi mama nganthabiseni phela yazi ibusiness yethu manje hayi imali sayenza but asimali leyo ukuthi singagcina sesithenga ibhaki so khona ukulayisha bona amaludi lawo isiza nawo la sengikhathele mina ukupusha amatroli onomthwalo namabhodo yabona. Uthi umama advice ukuthi mina angithi ngisebenzisa lezinto lezo, but ukhona umuntu engangireferela kuye akaveli ngapha eSouth Africa, angeza azosebenzisa istaliki senu and then before nizothengisa nibone khona ubone ukuthi imali izongena kanjani. But if awunoyithoni izwane ngoba lo muntu lona uzoza lapho every 6 months axobereke every 6 months funa ukuthi amvuselele ukuthi abantu bese ku business. Uthi hayi ngibonge vele angiphina bangiboneke ngihambe. Mangifika ku Timothy ngithi mara Timothy man asibhekele indaba yokuthi siyo consulta rebumakhosi bazofasa ibusiness sethu. Hayi uTimothy uthi vele ayale I decline the idea athi no mina as my mother said I don't believe in such, and angifuni ukuthi imali yami kube ukuthi sengisebenzela umakhosi mina ungangi-involve lapho. Uthi okay awushoza hayi ngibele emuva kule ndawo lengasachubeka ukuthi ngiyakho lo makhosi lo. Uthi hayi ngibele emuva kancane, but isikhathi masiya ngibona ukuthi imali sayenza, but mina ke bathola business idirechelete sikhona ukuthenga ibhaki nami singathenga ibhanta minyana sikhona ukulayisha istock izinto zibolula masingasolo siguge izinto sibhadala emateksini ama extra fee for ukuthi basitransportele izinto zethu zomsebenzi. Uthi hayi ashozi one day ngilele endlini kube ukuthi ngithatha you know what namuhla ngiyoqala le bangithungele khona, and then ngidlamona Timothy ngimfona ngithi mina boy eyazini entwana angeke ngikhona ukuza manje but like nalami ukuthi ngikule khona amasinyo umama ngithumile but I will come and see you after boma 1 hour. Timothy angabi nenkinga. Uthi awushozi kube ukuthi ke ngiyahamba ke ngiya la kulo makhosi lo bangithumele yona ungasiwa ngapha waseOrkant. Uthi mangifika kumakhosi vele ngimchazela situation no sinenkinga isource nebusiness yathengisa yes profit ikhona but it's not enough, so I'm thinking ukuthi sidinga iboost and bangireferele ku. Hayi uthi umakhosi athi okay asicala isiconsult kaditawula robona ukuthi idawula dereng. Uthi awushozi umakhosi alahlinda ulaphansi ndawula phansi asho ukuthi lo muntu lo osebenza naye lento lesizoyenza ngeke ngihambisane naye, and kungenza ukuthi whatever when uthi kuyenza ingasebenzi because of this person. So mina the only thing anginikeza yona ngakunikeza ukuthi hambe ukhasha manje, but kadinge ukuthi lo muntu onaye because lento le ni joint aze nawe lana ukuthi masithi siyosebenza lento le ingam affect in a bad way, like iviyele nina lento isizoyenza go stalking zaleni. Uthi awushozi ngithi okay ngipha iviki ngizozama ukukhuluma naye ngizozama ukuza naye. Alright awushozi kezamaye akifihla ko stalking ngithola vele khona siya prepare ngikhulume naye ke uTimothy emntwana ayiman ngiya kumakhosi uthi hayi man funa ukuthi size sithu sizokhona ukuthi kusebenzwe indawo. Ora awushozi into engatshela ukuthi sibe selengene igrade beyintsene gridor ke I want more money sishisa laphana umlilo kuyashisa kuyabanda umlilo and imali engiyenzayo like it's not enough for the hard work esifaka every day, so nake batla chelete tlohorana very fast yabona ezongena very fast. Uthi hayi uTimothy ale athi mina boy ngikutshelile ukuthi angizihambile izinto lezo and umagogo ushilo athi sikhuleke sibhilivele emthandazweni yonke into izoyenzeka through umkhuleko. Or I was just vele nyanye ngokuthi umuntu lo like umbusitsa marawo, and I cannot start something new because le start situ a business ethu, so ngithi sathi you know what now I will go through ne plan yami ngizohamba kumakhosi angezinto ezizoyisebenzisa estalikini, and then ugayi uzobona ke uzacover umthandazo wakhe mara nake batla chelete ke batla business ke batla customers. Abona uthi ashoze ngibele ngimtshele ke kumakhosi ukuthi umuntu walile emakhosi proceed with whatever bozoyenza mina I'm 100% in and futhi si succeed swithu. Uthi awushoze umakhosi angibuze 3 times are you sure uthi ngithi ngisho athi ngithi I sure even though ngaba nama consequences of your actions are you sure ngidecision ufuna ukuyithatha na ukuthi uyam-exclude umngani wakho ngivume ngithi yebo. Usibu uthi angibuza uMakhosi like afuna ukuconfirm ukuthi ngisho nedecision engifuna ukuyithatha concerning ibusiness yethu as partnership. Ngithi mina Makhosi I'm 100% sure I'm not going back idecision sengithethe. Uthi Makhosi athi you know what buya Saturday morning ekseni about 7 bansula iprocess uyenza before 12 midnight and then ngizokutshela ukuthi wenzeni uLawushozi hayi ngihambe ke ngoSaturday ekseni ngibe sengifikile kaMakhosi uthi ngifike ngaba 6 before 7 sengifikile mangifika vele ngibe ne like aqale ngamike uLawushozi ahlakanisedilo angiphe athi le ngihambe ngiyithela ku business la sisebenzela khona immediately mangathi ukushanela phansi kehashe ngikhuluma ukuthi ngifuna ama customer kazothengela thina kuphela bakhumbule thina mabafuna ukuthenga ukudla bakhumbule thina uLawushozi kebulele angithele ukuthi ubulele everything that you are going to do lelo la uqale ngayo ukhuluma and then entambama masizoshayisa uLawushozi mashayisa ngibuthe everything and then kehashe entambama ngihashe ngiprotect kebulele like amagama okuprotector the environment esebenzela kiyo and then angiphe umuthi ke athi lo muthi lo ngizogeza ngawo uthathi lo muthi lo ngizogeza ngawo athi ngikhuluma ukuthi ifana ukuthi lo muthi lo unqinise ngiqine abantu mabangibona babone umuntu abangathenga kuye ura abantu abangibona bangirespect like ibe lesireti and kungabi nento engangiblocker for me to receive success yami uLawushozi mangigeza kube ukuthi yasibulelela sihlarisela urse asiphile phela sivuke siphile sibe ingwenye empilweni yami orkebulele manju awu hayi sihambe ke ngihambe uLawushozi after silangiphe everything ngehashe ko business ngehashe as ama instructions angiphe wona ngihashe late ntamama ngenze the same thing and mangifika endlini ngisebenzise imithi ngikhulume ukuthi ngifuna ukusabeka ngifuna ukuba namandla ngifuna ukuthi ibusiness ibe success ibe successful kebe lichelete bathu bareke kona kebe le matla kebe le power uthi ngikhulume like those words uthi umuthi lo bangezona like utsoge ube alive. Hayi awushozi uthi isikhathi iviki lihambe ngisebenze every day kidira whatever but izenyenza for 7 days full 7 days akikho bani lemuntu wamusadi kiloba ngiba i1 leso sikhathi uthi awushozi kings commit ukuthi I want a business to be successful 7 days I'm going to commit myself ukuthi follow each and every instructions uMakhosi angiphe wona what awushozi kidira day 7 ifail after day 7 iphela awushozi ore estalekini sethu uhlala kugcwele abantu awushozi bathu batla sayenza imali abantu basicomplimente chelete idea like ukudla kwethu bayakuthanda the cleanliness of the place bayatha like everything by compliment ukuthi no ni clean ukudla kwethu fresh unuka kamnandi izinto ezinjalo ibusiness ifaka imali manje business ifaka imali ngithi ku Timothy ngithi you know what asivule another branch but sicashe there was young brother ka Timothy bangasebenzi sibaqashe basebenzela ngale hayi angabi nenkinga athi it's a good idea sela abazali vele bavume sami sovula another study ke la kusebenza khona both our young brothers siba train awushozi into yarina ibereke still ngiyahasha ngale ngiyakumakhosi angiphe imali angiphe imithi ngihasha ngale ngiyahasha nalapha business lethu ngihashe business yandlo ngobala money is coming in izinto za pick up sesikhona ukuthenga nebantam sithenga ibantam for ibusiness ke ukuthi sikhona ukulesha amabhodo and everything for izinto zethu uLawushozi imali mayichubeka ingena it was towards December hayi masihleli uthi Timothy hayi man friend imali yangena and imali iba enough nami ngicela ukuthenga ibhagi yami sibe namabhagi ayi2 hayi good idea sihambe awushozi roreka bhagi yami sibe namabhagi ayi2 hayi isikhathi masiyatsha nawaruma uqala still like last sebenzela khona kubusy chelete yagena awushozi kube ukuthi Timothy no friend how about siyovula i-shop like go shop or rent a black and then like kube shop lights iso rana khona thina soyi2 and then last cashela abantu bazo rana lesitalekiso sicalekiso hayi ngiyabona ukuthi manje sesiba nama branch ayi3 dilo di a tsamaya Auschwitz se sa shintsha phela manje shopping sesithenga izinto ezi-right zedileng perfect lekusha di-chips body rashene iglobal i-business yethu yashintsha izinto sesithengisa ngashintsha thelete iyatsena not kancane kakhulu every 6 months ngibela back kumakhosi anginike izinto ngizohasha uthi one time sihleli no Timothy ngimtshela ukuthi you know what Timothy I think ukuthi le idea yethu leya awuyikhumbule ukuthi sifuna umuntu ozoprotect izindawo zethu makhosi how about singayirevisit that idea uthi angimtshela ukuthi mina ngibuya khona yimi bengibusy ngenza everything ukuthi kuhlakane everything akimmuze Australian Timothy athi no yabona ukuthi uNkulunkulu sibese kanjani so why sifuna umuntu okwi3 ayake bahle ngibe ngakhona ibusiness right uthi Australian hayi kube ukuthi athi no modimo or blessed modimo so mina I'm not going to involve omunye umuntu ozosebenzisa imithi ku business yami or Australian kibona or mara motho like I want the sacrifices mina ngizenzayo yimi ngiyakumakhosi yimi ngihashayo yimi ngigeza ngezinto ngikhulume yena adiresile umphosa kaBhayibheli umuntu mohaga yabona uthi Australian ngibona ukuthi this thing like ingithwara offside because lo muntu kuzabe nebhakhi abona imali engaka it's because of mina uthi Australian le ndawo yi-3 sivulile like ibe right i-half offices indawo i-right Australian still risana li customers that's how kunama customers ngapha kunama customers uthi Australian ngibeli kumakhosi was like no ngoba nawo useyandla ngoba la business you need ukuthi nikuphe umuthi ukuthi ozokuvikela ukuthi bangakujontsheli abona because manje sona abasebenzi bangakujontsheli lo muthi lo ngizofaka kule package le ukuthi uyohasha la usebenzela khona or Australian like I'm very clear on top of the clear because ningabi ne problem because nizifakile mina ngaphakathi angipermit Australian ngipermit uthi ayikwelinye amalanga Australian uTimothy ngoba unebhakhi uphethe the other side uthi livala lapha mina la sikhona yimi ngivalayo and then ngithatha izinto izinto usahlangana kodzileni or na uthatha everything ngokuthi ubani uchayise masini uthi ahambe kanti uzoza esitolo mina sengivalile because mina kaningi yimi engihambe egcineni ngiyahamba mina ngiyasala ngisala ngiyenza nama procedure mafaka ukuthi ngiyenze every day uthi ahambe uthi uhambe early because of Timothy already sekathole intombi and they are planning to get married white wedding so bekhabhizi ngama wedding plans and stuff yabona impilo yakhe vele besili busy uthi ngisele mina Australian uthi lelanga le umakhosi angipha umuthi ukuthi I need ukuthi ngihashe uthi bangasitshontsheli basi respect afanele ukuthi ngihashe Keliso ushopho ngihashe Keliso and then ngebusuku ngiyohasha lapha yana kwesinye istaliki Keliso esabo Keliso uthi bezokhona ukuthi le mithi le abantu abathi bayatshontsha bathware Keliso babethe Keliso basikhona ukuthi that was the discussion kamakhosi or Australian hayi ngibusy ngiso ngiphethe umshanelo wami ngiyahasha ngithwele ibhaketi kahasha khambolela kahasha kanti ugayi uya kushopho uri Australian uTimothy makavula umnyango uthi umnyango ngikhile but ngikhiphe isikhiya ngikhile umnyango Australian uTimothy afake isikhiya I think ukuthi nabazi ukuthi already sengihambile uthi Australian agcina isikhiya umnyango ubulehle Australian ke mogare ga shopo ke setsiso ke tshwere pakete ke tshwere lefilo uthi Timothy athi mfana ayi boy wenzani uri Australian uTimothy aqalelane ke udirang ngo business yare wa small business wasebenzisa imithi business uthi ngimtshela ukuthi hey thula le business le from lesicale khona yini I'm the reason ukuthi sibe nama customers I'm the reason ukuthi sibe nama businesses i3 so when today you are going to tell me ukuthi whatever I'm doing is commercial business which business are you talking about I was choosing kube ine education ke lapho sicabane Timothy usicabane vele kube ukuthi vele kube fok ahambe uthi akudo hamba ususikapara deparsaka ngitsamaye ke kumakhosi tshela makhosi shilo umuntu lo umtholile ngisenza lezinto lezi so inkinga ukuthi now uthi yena akasafuni ukusebenza nami so hlukanisa ibusiness and mina I feel ukuthi ngisebenze kakhulu more than him because yimi I've been trying ukuthi sibe nama customers so ake bahle gore anke matla aka Makhosi was like ngithanda kangangani umngani wakho, ungamfela umngani wakho na uthi ngingumuze ngithi angisisho athi yena ngakufela na uthi from the way angibheke ngakhona I don't think so. Uthi awushoze ngithi angazi ukuthi angangifela umngani wami. Uthi uMakhosi angibuza ukuthi now ubatla uthi rashwang, the choice is yours ukuthi now ufuna ukwenza njani. Or awushoze ke nagane gore business now like iyayifaka imali or ama-business wonke ayi-3 sakhona ukuyenza i-profit each uma 40k per month. And ngoba lesi seyisha that restaurant esivulile isikhani saqala sa-developer, so by the looks of things boma 2 to 3 months tlabe kusetsa motho wakhona ore ya boma 100,000 profit. The way izinto zirana ngakhona, the way like dilutana ngateng, like we are making money every single day. So matla aka makana kwa tlogele jwang, because now I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. So motho nya go tswalela tunnel la go be le 50 again. No, I can't. Uthi awushoze ni decide ukuthi Makhosi make this person ukuthi angisabe angang approach athi menze ukuthi azwe ngami, or awushoze kube ukuthi simule umuntu rasithothobala awutlwelele nna akweka nna alatele nna kube ngathi ngiyiboss yakhe. Uthi uMakhosi athi no what leave ukuthi sogeza emfuleni, akoro hlapha emfuleni uze nembuzi sogeza khona emfuleni ngaqinisa ke manje. Uthi awushoze ketlele budi ahlakanise Makhosi lutha ahlakanise rekonukeng busho ukuthi tshejile dikela asiye mina. Uri awushoze ngifike laphana uthi manje emfuleni like gola those funny sounds. Uthi Makhosi athi ungasabi already sengi-informile abanikazi bomfulu ukuthi sisuza, so please ungasabi yabona. Uri awushoze Makhosi athi yimi athi wena ungangeni emenzini, mina ngizothatha ibhakede ngizosala kuwe because I can see ukuthi uyasaba and ukusaba bakho kuzosifaka so-2 enkingeni. Uri awushoze Makhosi adire ndusa dirang abeshemolo gafele lenuka ahlakanise. Uthi awushoze ahlanganise akhalise izimpempe. Awushoze uri nakuzona namathosa amabili ahlanganise izimpempe adire izimpempe za. Uri awushoze angitshela athi khumula uthi ngiyamind ukuthi bakhona abanye abantu beside the two of us. Uri awushoze ngikhumule. Now I'm thinking of wealth, builder generational wealth more. Angeke ngithi i-wealth yami ngifuna ukuthi ngizoyisplita nomuntu ongayisebenzeli, no akibahle. Uthi awushoze hayi isebenze bangisebenze after sebangisebenzile aritsamali ukabompotsha. Awushoze ngihambe the following day ekseni mangifika uthi umuntu asaba ukungibheka emehlweni, or like ngipretend exifest zangibona iklinikal phone ngehashahasha ku blacking. Uthi asabe ukungibheka emehlweni. Uthi awushoze ilanga malahamba awushoze kube ukuthi vele ubrothers uyangiconfront athi ungacabanga ukuthi into yenze yesterday ngiyayidlulisanga, I'm still going to deal with you and uzophuma kule business if ever wena uxoxiberikisa ikhari. Awushoze nganyanya lethi makathi ngizophuma kule business. Uthi I went back to Makhosi ngathi lo muntu lo ya lento ukuthi yenzeka because uthi ze ngixoxwa noku business, so I'm not going to go out kule business without a fight. Makhosi athi now we need to extend lento besiyenza because now motho ubothalo fetarena udila ngaro bothalo fetarena, now we are going to deal with him. Or awushoze Makhosi wangipha umuthi wathi ngisprinklishe ngaphakathi kwebhaki kaBrothers, ngathatha umuthi ngasprinklisha ngaphakathi kwemoto. Awushoze uthi mashayisa uBrothers wahamba. Awushoze uBrothers azangafike eKepu, ibhaki ya overturn kukefeni, umuntu wabese uyashona on the spot. Nna ngiberekisa dihlari I didn't think ukuthi uzoshona, bengifuna ukuthi yena abe yi-puppet, mina ngibe yi-puppet master nekusabaxore ahlokofale. Awushoze bangifonele uwile imoto overturnile ugabe angabophanga ibhande mayirola imoto waphuma sabe imoto iyawela phezu kwakhe iyamlimaza uyashona. or awushozi, I was so shocked. Bengichachazela, bengithukile. Remember lo mama lo ngimthatha esifamily, mama kamngani wami. Ifamily sengithatha esifamily. So now into a Giderling, the very same day umuntu uyarola ngemoto. Uthi awushozi immediately mangicela ukuthola out, excuse me, mangicela ukuthola out, angicela find out ngale ndaba yenzekile. Ngifonele uMakhosi. Ngimfama ukuthi Makhosi ngihashe umuthi but umuntu oshonile. Makhosi was like, that was the only way to get rid of him. Because lo muntu lo ubekaza ukulwisa. Angisho ukuthi ufuna amandla, ufuna ipower, ufuna ukuphatha. That's the only way ukuthi ungayenza, because everything yenze together. So ukuthi kususe kwakho kusuke ngendleleni wena uphathe yonke into. That's the easiest way. Or awushozi ngibona ukuthi ngisifakile akena option. So uthi hayi ngihlaleke ngibe a crying friend, a caring friend, ngiye up and down, ngivala amashopo, istaff sisebenze khaba umngani wami. Uthi awushozi hayi kumncwabo Ndluli, afendana eNdlule, amashops bengiwavalile, respecting and honoring umngani wami phela. Uthi hayi family bangibize ikibo friend, bangitshela ukuthi bona angeke bayarane ibusiness, angeke ba interfere, bona bazolindela mina mangibapha whatever seke bafanga sona. So bona they are still giving me ama blessings to continue ngirana le business. Uthi hayi ngizwane nabo ukuthi no every month ke tla ba depositela chelete, no problem. But singazwani ngeprice ukuthi ke tlole rumela bukai, how much every month. Singazwani umama athi mina nanomunga ngibonga nginengeni umntwana msehambile. But remember ukuthi bekazoshada. So whatever uyithumela mina ngicela ukuthi uyithumele nomakoti. What? Uthi hayi kube agreement, no problem. Awushozi hayi after 7 days ama business siwavuleke. Wait, remember now singi one, like stop taking everything kena irana through nakele one. Uthi kube nale workload eningi nami like ise ngiyasalele kilobona. Uthi hayi awushozi one time ngidira stock taking ngiphansi e shop, u restaurant actual shop. Uthi hayi ngibhala stock okay ngwala everything busy with your business. Uthi it was very late because of izinto zami ngizithethe ngizenze sesovala. So abasebenzi babe sebashayisa kusala mina ngiwane shop ngakhiya umnyango ngazikhelela ngaphakathi and then ngifuna ubala phela stock okay bonye uduty ya balance stuff like that. Uthi ngihleli e restaurant le esivulile ko tafuleni, like it's a round table inezitulo. Ngihleli ngiphethe incwadi busy kabuka ngiyabhala. Uthi awushozi kelekere ke tsosa hlogo direct phambi. Uthi my friend uTimothy athi ngilobona kodi moving movies latho ukuthi umuntu uyashona then madi ahamathela, so ifulimele ku Kaxen bamdulilo stuff. Uthi my friend utlile ahamathethi madi ebusweni bakhe. Uthi ayikathoka like ngashawa uvalo mayithi ngiyambheka like lo muntu lo like amehlo wakhe lokhu kumnyama akukho, there is only this nibiza in kona lokho. Or awushozi mothola onzusise. Uthi ngibele ngasuka etafuleni ngagijima ngemnyango ngavula umnyango azange ngisakhiya ngadosa umnyango ukakena ku parking nga driver koloyi. I'm driving ngiyakukai Makhosi, straight to Makhosi. Uthi awushozi nga driver or ngifike ku Makhosi ethuthumela bengimanzi ngokujuluka lewe bengijuluke ngakhona. Mangifika Makhosi azange safuna ukulindela ukuthi bathi imele ngapha. Uthi ngavele ngazithi uvudlo endombeni. Uthi ngamtshela ngathi abu-terminal problem. Lo muntu lo besi simsuse emhlabeni utlile and ukoshopong ko restauranteng kimshile kote. Uthi awushozi Makhosi angibelieve. Makhosi athi asamble ngikhomba ngibele backend. Uthi ngidrive back siye e-shop. Masifika e-shop awushozi mothola adeni moke morning adeni. Makhosi uze nesikhwama sakhe sa ditaola ore a se kuqela phansi re bone gore go diragalang uthi azilahle phansi uthi makazilahla phansi uMakhosi athuke ngimbone ukuthi uthukile but angangitsheli like ngibone nge-facial expression ukuthi lo muntu lona into ayibona la modi tawuleni yamthusha uthi athi yimi athi lo muntu lo uwalwa athi uyezuza ukubulala ubuye empilweni yakho uzubulala and usitsamaya so utsamaya le badimo ba gagwe this is no longer about wena naye manje it's you naye le badimo ba gagwe uthi uMakhosi athi mina mfana wami yibona lempile angizoyingena because ibhekene nawe mina ya wami umsebenzi uphelela la yami contract iphelela la ukuyaphambila ngeke ngikhona uri awushozi kibe surprised ukuthi umuntu lo uyenze everything so now why abele muva uhlathela amarago unshakile 1 kuphela uthi athi the only thing mina ngakutshela yona ukuthi xolisa kulo muntu xolisa ulaka lakhe liphezulu and ulaka lakhe maliphezulu uzele uze inkotlele kanto and uxobulaya main reason uxobulaya uthi awushozi angiphi izinto zokuthunyisela shop ukuthi angasiza umuntu but angitheli ukuthi uxobuwa you need ukuthi ukhulume naye because uxobulaya uthi I repeated the word uxobulaya yabona uthi kube igama eliringa enqondweni yami awushozi liringa enqondweni yami kodwa athi leyo akarubala first night mangimbona azange ngilala or awushozi the following day bengisaba kwe-shop azange ngifuna ukwe-shop ngichecka la master kila wakhona awushozi I went back home azange ngifuna ukwe-shop uthi iviki ladlula sikulukile kiriya dike ndive ngayisitolo uthi the day manje isitolo ngaya emini ngase ukuthi cause makile mshoki kishekile wani ngiyambonile la let me go emini or awushozi ufriend wami uyathanda like ukuthi umuntu ukuthi makama wedisama kamiri arosabathola barato ukuthi sama kalibota ari lo umuntu lo uthi emini lapha uthi asisame ngemira angibheke ore utswile imali ahamethezi amehlo wakhe amhlophe atswa megogo yamadi uthi awushozi ubona yimi ngeone there is no one ambonayo ubona ke nina kile one or awushozi I packed my things ngabela endlini nga avoid ukustore completely bengidirector ngefone irang so lama camera angisafuni ngeshop uthi right now my sister lo muntu lo ungilandelela nesekhaya uthi one day ngifuru kuyatsoha you know most awusekhaya ufuna uhamba uye ngaphandle ushaya umoya then you come back endlini cha ngiyavuka ngiyangaphandle ngishaya stroll ngaphandle check imoto ngiyabuya ngene endlini uthi mangena endlini asho sikimthola uhleli phansi uthi uyakhala ubradasi ukhala igazi uhamathitsi mati still same outfit same everything akakhulumi akashonex or that day because of being sendlini ngambiza kamisa kalibitso ngacina Spain ngihamze ngegama umuntu akasabeli akayenze next the only thing makangibheka inyembezi zamadi diyathewa or awushozi igcina say this thing into something uthi ngihambe ngekumuntu Makhosi umama ngifike lapho ngiyoconsult uthi uMakhosi maka phonsa izinto zakhe athi bhuti wami nathi usuyaho akena yona go and confess ikibula umntwana lo umbulele go and tell them ukuthi wenzeni hamba yosweleza baphansi bakhe cause into ngibona lirulele nzu ngibona lififi ngibona leso and liza direct to you what else shows ngibulala wena so I'm not going anywhere ngisendlini ngisebhakeni nguphi lo muntu lona uyangilandelela ngiyasaba ukuyiba ukuthi ngiconfessa ngiyasaba ukutshela ifamily yami la ngihamba khona but I need to go ngiconfessa but I was choosing I'm prepared to lose everything ukuthi ngingaconfess because their family bangithatha esumntwana wabo how can I now go back to them and say ngibula ilebana lena ngadikhara ngicala kanthini ngibulele ngoba besibange business ngibulele ngoba ngifuna ukuba iboss what else was got homa ke direjwang uthi ngiyahamba itsamayile maprofeti kitsamayile dikreke into enzakalayo ukuthi bamuko batsha angahlala 2 weeks 1 week angaveli but uzovela uthi sengithukela ukuthi one day uzovela angilimaze or angirole ngemoto, uthi angisahambi ngihlala ngisendlini because ngithaba ukuwa kakoloi because Makhosi told me that lo muntu lo akangizanga ngokuhle uze ngempi and utlile go dira go bolaya. So ngibala kuwe ngithi ke dire njwang, ngisacrifice ngiconfesse ngejele or ngizimele ukuthi eze azongibulala ngive ngimlandele. Aketsebe ke dire jwang. I'm stranded but I need help. Hi Jesus. Sisanobhuti. But I think that sometimes ezinye izinto masisifaka ngenhliziyo yabuhobo yakusokhotofala sigcina siba kuma situations aso. As much as a business boy ithanda, but I think usakhotofala ikokulethela nokhona today. So mina ngazi bhuti wami batla uthusha baba uthusha, bathi kuhlungu ukuthi khona umama ukhalile akhalile ukuluza ingane yakhe.